So the course has been designed around the New Zealand certificate in Youthwork. However, what we've done with it is given it a complete focus on adventure-based approaches to youth, working with youth. We're here to create resilient rangatahi, and the outdoors as a medium is perfect for it.
I think through this course I've realised you just need a few tools and you just need to know how to do them well. And this course has done that for me.
Yeah, like all of the guest speakers in particular that have come for the online classes, it's just been so valuable, such a variety of perspectives and people for us to learn from.
What I really loved about the workshop is there's lots of different people coming together and from different works, and we've learned so many different things we wouldn't in our own environment.
There's heaps of learning from the tutors, but there's heaps of learning just from each other and each other's comments.
Ko Rodrigo te maunga, ko Emerald te tuaone, no Kosaba whenua moe ahau, no Whakatū ahau, ko Alan toku whānau, ko Georgia toku ingoa, ka Tinia taku tuakiri.